Well, I'm back again with another remote problem. This one's a Roku. It's a fairly older model, probably about 6, 7 years old. What happened was the batteries in it went down, and one of them leaked out, and there was a whole lot of battery acid on the inside of it, and the Roku stopped working. I've already taken it apart. Uh, Here's a cover. As you can see, there are locking tabs there, and two on the end here. There were 3 screws. There's one there, and one there, and one there. So I'll just take out all the screws, and then you can stick a screwdriver in and wedge the inner cover in and release it from these tabs. So here's how you take this one apart. Now the subject of the project, of course, is to get it working again. All this is going to be cleaned with WD-40. Here's the circuit board. You can see it clearly has acid stains on it. So I'm going to clean these all with WD-40. Then I'll go back and do a fine wire brush with my trusty Dremel tool, and we'll give it a try and see how it works out. Okay, here's the board after I cleaned it with WD-40. You'll see it's bright and uniformly shiny, and both sides are looking much cleaner than they were before. Now I'm just going to go back and just give a light dusting with a wire brush on it. Okay, I'll put it all back together and see how it works. Here's the cover. And here's the fully reassembled remote. 3 screws are back in it. I just went upstairs and checked it, and it's working fine. So this repair was a success. Best thing to do to avoid these is just regularly change your batteries. Probably want to change them out in the remote no later than about once every month or two if you use the remote a lot. If you rarely ever use the remote, just take the batteries out to avoid this entirely and just put them in on that rare occasion when you need them. But very common occurrence, battery leaking out and getting on the printed circuit board. In this case, the battery acid didn't destroy any of the printed circuit traces. It just coated the board so the buttons couldn't make contact. Have a great day. See you on the next video.